Afternoon, guys. Here we are on Brian's apps. I love these Sevilles. I really do. It's one of my favorites. So we've got a bad battery for him. So we'll disconnect everything. We already got him the new one, had it ordered. Say hi, Bobby.
Hi, Bobby.
Look, ladies and gentlemen, he even knows his own name. He comes when you call him. Well, you know, hey.
I don't know when you call me, but if you do certain other things, I will.
So we'll get this all taken care of
Not
for him
you,
real
though,
quick.
that's nasty. Anyway.
And get him rolling again. And we've got a little bit of an exhaust leak.
Yep.
Apparently, what happened?
Between the cat and the muffler, the pipe broke or came apart or something. We'll get it handled. It's not a big deal. We'll have it jacked up and take a look. But other than that, it's been doing well for him since the last time it left. I mean, it's been almost a year since it left here.
Yeah, and everything we did still looks absolutely wonderful
Look,
because we did water pump and.
Oh God, we did so much.
That was a nightmare for him.
Yeah, it sucked, but it was a hot mess. And then remember we had to fight the power steering and we got it to behave.
Yep.
That was a battle, but we always prevail, sir.
Yes, we do.
Or we do something.
Right. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, what do we say?
Just got to get this damn battery done.
But I'm pumped.
All right, so here I am under the Seville. Just got it jacked up out here in the yard. Thought this would be an easy fix, but I noticed that it rusted and failed right behind the flange. So the cat and all that pipe are fairly newer obviously, but yeah, it failed right behind the flange. So I need to, at minimum, get a flange with a little bit of material on it, or if we could, maybe get this entire pipe. Because where was I got interrupted because of course somebody calls. So there's some baling wire here, which is intriguing. And it's not even good baling wire, it's like picture wire. So yeah, anyway, I'm either gonna need to cut this off and pull a flange and weld a piece on here and then weld that and couple it, or maybe see if we can get this whole OE piece. But I'm gonna hit this with some penetrating lube and then pull that off if I can. Hopefully I can get that loose. I should be able to. Between that and the torch, we should be okay. And then I can at least get this flange off and see what magic I need to do. All right, so our friend Heat and Quench here unstuck our bolts. Not too bad. Pulled our flange off. And of course, the other piece of the pipe is conveniently rusted to the coupling. Fun. Lots of fun. So I'm gonna go hunting, more than likely now, for the entire pipe, or at least a piece of pipe with a flange that we can cut and weld onto there. So I'm gonna look that up while I was down here and questioning this picture wire temporary fix, which A for effort, it got it where you needed to go, mostly. Let me get this mess out of here. Anyway, not too worried about fighting that out. These rubber lines, one's pressure, one's return for fuel. See them right there. That is rotten and cracking. So is that. Like, when there's pieces of rubber coming off, yeah, we need to replace those. But that's pretty quick and easy. That's not a big deal. Easy peasy. Couple bucks, some clamps, nothing major. So we gotta do that. I'm gonna get on the hunt for this piece of pipe. Got that apart. We know what we're fighting with now. And we shall go from there. Another thing I noticed while laying on the floor. These tires, them babies are done. Not safe at all. That's borderline terrifying. I'm not even gonna bother looking for a production date because them girls is done. Done deal. Nope. Nope.